is unfair, and I would like to call upon the government to ensure that such allegations are not there, or if they have some truth, then it should be completely sealed, that there will be no issues of that caliber, because it is unfair not only to the country, because very soon we will be producing quacks, and we had done that. In 2016 the exam was very fair, 2017 very fair, but somehow the cheating has started creeping slowly by slowly, and this is why we are finding now a problem. The government, the minister, the KNEC, and everybody else, please, this is a plea from all of us. We may have students passing. We have no problem with student passing, but in a good way, because it's also good for the sweat that they are giving to be rewarded. If it was student passing, is not a big problem, but when you hear that some results are not normal, and you can tell, that is where I have a problem. We have real problems, and we should be understood as such. Mathina maria mengi tuonaga muno thiini wa cukuru ino cietu ni turadeal na society directly, and we know society has its own problems. Mathina ma drugs mau nimo mengi muno ni undu tariu ava ngethia thungiumira ucemanagia na andu mathiite kwendia mira kibwai, ciana cietu ingienuka ciethagiriria mira market ava riu na itingi, you cannot assume anything, na tutirauga ni mecoku nondu ni tutethagia, but at the end of the day it affects quite a number. Na uria tuga mira na drugs ino ciingi na ikorwa ciina correlation, uguo rimwe makiendia no okorwa magika thia, and so on. Ino ni society iria ciana ino irakurira, twathii kuroria nginya njovi ino cia ibango irathondekwa na guku kundu takumenya. How would wish that the government can look at some of those problems. It will affect society. And then remember, our schools, especially our day schools, interact directly na society. Vindi cionthe na tukona thine yo ni ira maria muno na igatuma makoro